Welcome to my channel. This is a video about an experiment I did this summer. First of all, I have to mention that I met a hare, which I saw disappear behind a tree when I entered this park. And I stopped and took out my smartphone and started filming, but I was expecting this hare to come out from the other side of the tree, which it did. And as you can see, it's paying attention to my presence, so it knows that I'm nearby, but still it insisted on staying, which is kind of surprising because hares usually just run away like an arrow when they see a human being. But this one was very special. It was staying, and while I was filming this hare, I discovered that I had a duck that came just by my feet while I was filming the hare. So both these animals seemed very social. They kind of came very close to me, and the hare had the whole park to eat grass from, and for some reason decided to stay close to where I was. Maybe it was because I was wearing moss green hoodie and sand colored pants that I blended in the surroundings, and I for some reason made them feel safe. This hare even turned its back towards me. That's very unusual. That this kind of animals usually are very afraid to turn their back towards any danger. The rest of the summer, I only saw a hare once more, but that was running so fast I couldn't even film it. This one stayed and was eating for a long time while I was nearby, and I was standing totally still not to make it afraid, but eventually it went on to other parts of the park and was eating, but it kind of was looking at me all the time. Almost reluctantly it left me. But the duck didn't leave me. It was following me wherever I went in the park. It was slowly walking behind me, and it seemed to be looking for social contact too. I have never experienced that either at any other occasion, so I decided to go down to the duck's level and film it. So I made this video of the duck, and then I decided to make an ethical animal experiment and show the video of the duck for the duck itself. So perhaps this is the first time in history that a duck is looking at itself in a video, which now is uploaded to YouTube. I showed the duck the video of itself while it was walking towards me, and it was actually looking at the video for a long time. It was kind of looking as if it was thinking, how did that duck get into that small object? It obviously recognized that it was a duck. Perhaps it didn't understand it was itself, but still, it was an interesting experiment, and that was this summer's most surprising animal encounter.